Welcome to this video, guys. It's on the laptop. It doesn't matter where I do it is on. There are 26, 28, 30, many desktops available on Linux. But topic of the video is somebody on Telegram. He's talking about RStudio desktop, and it's going to be a very huge thing. let's do it together. RStudio, and he's not able to build it. So first of all, there are many variants, right? Desktop bin, desktop git. So if one doesn't work, hey, try the other. That's one advice we should give you. The rest, I don't know really what it is, but I'm guessing it's gonna be a huge thing, and that's why it's not on a repo. RStudio desktop is the one he wants to install, which is number 2. I'll just go for it and say number 2, default Soki. No idea. Right? Haskell. Whoa. If you're an Xmonad user, you're used to it, right? But this is a left WM, ArcoLinux B, left WM. That's it. So all these packages need to come in to be able to build it. Remove make dependencies after install, maybe, right? I say yes this time. And then enter. And hope it builds. So a lot of things, a lot of packages that need to come in. There's also Java, I see. GRE8, OpenJDK headless, JDK, right? Java, and a lot of Haskell stuff. The hope is always, of course, these builds are not from us. These builds are from you, actually. You in the sense that just users, just people who want software to be available on ArcoLinux, and they take the time to make a package, build, right? And with that package build, you can build the package. And that's basically all we're doing. And depending on the package, it takes a huge amount of download, a huge amount of CPU power, and a long time to build it or not. This is one of the longer already. Now, if you ever build Linux kernels, then you know what I mean, right? It takes a while to build, and it takes some heat as well. Your CPU is going to work quite hard. I also even saw GluePass, Pi, all these names. It is like the Matrix, right? It's like, what's going on with my machine? What is it doing? Gives us a hacker kind of feeling. But of course, it's not. It's just building applications. But nevertheless, if this is the first time you see that, the same goes for Gen 2, right? You start with everything and it builds straight away. A black screen, everything needs to be built. Is it still doing something, right? That's the question we have now. Control Shift Escape. Is it still doing something? Oops, he's going on. He's continuing. It did not crash. Alright then. Be patient is always the message. Well, yeah, me too, right? Sometimes you pull the plug too soon. Impatience. Maybe you can do something else during your impatience. Install some stuff, check out some stuff, read some more. ArchWiki something. Go read. Test that is the package. Okay. Test that. I knew I shouldn't have started this. Against my better judgment. And since I have some time to spare, let's see. I wonder if we can play around a little bit. If that's possible. Yep, it's possible. Let's have some fun in the meantime. Star Wars. I have a bug in my system. Some don't prefer the pursuit of happiness to the happiness of pursuit. All right. Brain overheating. You have to have big screen there. Too much to read. It's from Tolkien. Be careful, some twit might quote you. Shakespeare. This definitely needs to be bigger. Super F. I think I recognize this guy. I think I do. But we always say politics has no place here. We're Linux. Includes. What's that? A white wolf. Mark Twain. Ha! I think I recognize this guy. Superman. Jaws. Can't locate something. There's something missing there on that particular cow. Oops. An error occurred. Error making RStudio desktop. And here we remove everything again. So yes, there is a problem, Houston, there is a problem. And what you do is ask really the developer. The build targets doesn't give us any clue. Error 2, boom. Doesn't give us any clue. I don't know if that's a problem or not. Don't think so. Just more message. So that's a nice way of doing things. RStudio. Is the bin working? Number 1. I better change this here. That's not nice. out of the image. Go away, go away, go away. Okay, it's gone. Ah, that was IT crowd, I think. I would think, yep, this is IT crowd. Oh, finished. Oh, that's in, I think it's installed, I don't know. RStudio, what is this thing? RStudio bin. All right, so building it was not a go. So what you do is you go to the AOR website and you ask the developer, the maintainer, to make it work. But this, I don't know if it should do anything. This is of course a tiling window manager, but I think it will do more than just this. So something is probably up. I can kill this, that's something. Oh, nice wallpaper. But let's see, RStudio bin, launch it like this. No message. So is this normal? I don't know if this is normal. I guess not. But there is no message either. The only thing we can do is see if another one actually can work, like the desktop gits or desktop preview bin, official repository number 4. And keep trying until it works. Whatever it should do, I don't know what it should do. So it's coming from Debian, converting Debian package, it says. Password, that I can do. Sure, get away. And then what was it again? RStudio bin. Now we do have something as text, but it says something about logging to, message, printing information, but I don't know what this actually should do. Or I should go to the internet. Or maybe it's a left WM thing, right? I don't know. But it seems to be able, we seem to be able to start it. Now I'm curious. Let's have a look. RStudio. Open source professional software. Now the fastest way maybe is probably going to go one level back and see some images, so I know what we're talking about. Okay, cancel F11, get out of here, go back, go here. Download solutions. Am I missing it? Download, there it is. Download, more to know, choose your version, download. Executable, DMG, Apple, AMD 64 DEP. Of course, there's nothing for us, except maybe one of these guys. No app store thing, there is no app store thing. Well, let's be sure. Let's see, preferences. And then we go for third party, AOR. And then we go for Flatpak. Then we go for Snap. Okay. Okay. Then it updates everything. Then we type RStudio. Enter. That's the one we've installed. Let's not forget that we have something of an advantage. We have the ArcoLinux tweak tool, and in the tweak tool there is a shop, the shop of Chaotix repo. That's on now as well. Let's refresh, or is it immediately? Let's refresh databases. Yeah, chaotic mirror AOR is coming in. And then I probably need to click again. No, exit. Okay, we can exit. Repositories, chaotic. Well, actually browse, don't care where it's coming from, right? Now everything is available. Now it's all there. And we have one, right? So this one can go. That's the one we've built. I don't think it works. And this is coming from chaotic AOR. So clicking on this one, applying it, blah, 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 blah. Okay, choose, apply. That's being downloaded, installed. It's there. RStudio. Ah, that's something else. So file, this is the normal look. So the version that's online from chaotic AOR, that one still works. So basically, if you have an account, maybe they tell you, first of all, read, right? First of all, read. If they say, you need to do this, you need to do that, look at all the information here available, read. If there is a solution online, apply the solution. Now there is more than that. There is more than that. RStudio, the desktop bin, sometimes it's the same guy, right? All these names, these are guys, persons like you, and you can ask him, I would like to install that version or this version or that version, and again, first read and then ask for help. You can, if you log in, you can flag it out of date, and well, actually it's saying no, you have to log in, and then ask some questions. Maybe try to build this, doesn't work, so this works. And why is it working? Can we help? Is not gonna help me. I want to have a version. There we are. So that's the version. RStudio, and the version here 382. So this is 382. The one that's from AOR is working. If we build it ourselves, it's not working. Question mark, right? But the one who has the answers is not me. The one who has the answers is the guy who maintains it. All right, we have a solution anyway. The user is helped if it installs the package from the chaotic repo. And that'll be that until the maintainer of the package build on the AOR website pushes a new package build out. All right, we've seen RStudio, and well, I'm gonna quit. All right, cheers.